until I get to you, okay? Let me see you use those strategies.
Jack went into school with Mom and Billy. Jack said to the teacher, "We are getting a new baby next week."
You know what I like? I saw what you did right up here. You started to say Jack went into the school, but did you see the word the? No, we don't add extra words when we read, do we? You fixed it and then you kept right on going. That's something that good readers do. We don't add extra words. Let's keep going. Make sure it makes sense.
A new baby, said the teacher. "You are lucky, and your next baby will be lucky too. Your little baby will have to be big brothers."
Excellent. I want to go right back up here to this sentence right here. This is what you read, and you make sure it looks right. And your next baby will be lucky too. Do you see a word that we might need to look at again? And your next baby will be lucky too.
Jack has
Okay, look at this word right here. Think about words that we know that have that EW, ooh sound. Like few. So we know this is the word. Change that beginning sound. And your, not OW, EW, ooh. You got it. There you go. And your new baby will be lucky too. Remember there?
You probably didn't hear me because I said new baby.
Okay, well I heard you say next. So we want to make sure that we're reading the words that are there. Will you keep going? And remember, if it doesn't make sense, we need to go back and read it again. Can you keep going for me? Keep using those strategies. Whisper, I'm going to listen to Zayden. Let me ask you a question. Are they calling him Dad or Father?
Dad.
Because it starts with
D.
A D. Very good. Keep going for me.
Then Jack.
That's a word word.
Dad and Billy. Jack said Jack. Outed Billy. The baby has came. It's a girl. We are going to see her now.
Okay, go back and look at this word for me. The baby has
came.
There's not an A.
Baby.
There you go. Make sure to look all the way, even in the middle parts, okay?
Come on, boys, said Dad. I will take you.
Did he?
Yes, he
said.
Oh,
good.
You in. Come on, boys, said Dad. I will take you to see my did not and baby Rose.
Very good. Her name is Rose. Can you read that one more time for me? Read that sentence one more time.
I will take you to see my children and baby Rose.
That was much smoother. I like that.
Where is Mom? Look at baby Rose, Dad said Billy. She is so smart. Look at baby Rose. Look at baby Rose, said Billy. She is so little. Then Jack was, yes, said Mom. Then Jack is so little. Jack, sister, you shouted, or you, the baby has come my big brother now. You are my big brother now.
Does that make sense? Do you know what I love that you did up here? You were reading and you said, she is so small. She is so, and you were like, that doesn't make sense. That's not the right word, because that starts with a oh. And you went back and fixed it. That is what smart readers do. Boys, both of you did a great job using your strategies. I saw you looking at pictures. I saw you looking. You were really good at looking for those little parts that you know. And you are checking to make sure you're reading the right words and that you're not adding extra words. Do you know what Calvin did? He almost added an extra word and he went back and he fixed the sentence and didn't add any extra words. Those are smart things that good readers do. Here's what I want you to do. I'm going to let you pick a friend. One friend that you get to read one time to. Take your book, pick a friend. Take your book, pick a friend you're going to read one time, and then come right back and meet me here, please.